lions, our warthogs, and also our other hooved animals.
You're going to have to look at your video. I do. Joe's going now.
The pile of rocks back there is the backside of the savanna, which is 110 acres. The savanna is large enough that you can take the entire Magic Kingdom, put it inside the savanna, and still have about 30 acres left for parking.
You have to look at what you're recording there, Timothy. Otherwise they can't get the picture.
Well, I know like some of their stores are the warehouses.
Up around the next corner, folks, we're going to find 4 different buildings. The buildings you're going to see are the nighttime housing area for our cheetahs, our white rhinos, the African elephant, and then further back in the corner is, you might be able to see some white rhino because we don't put them all out on the savanna at the same time. We do rotate the animals in and out, give them a little break every now and then.
There's one right down there. See him?
Okay, folks, we are entering Rafiki Station here in just a moment, so please start collecting your things together. And please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. Once that happens, personnel on the platform will step forward and open the doors to allow you to exit the train. We thank you again for joining us on your journey out here to Rafiki's Planet Watch, and hope to see you on the return trip. Have a nice day, and good luck.